Have you ever wanted to be a more productive homemaker? Here are 5 simple ways where you can do just that. If you want to be a more productive homemaker, make sure that you always have a goal. Having a goal will help us to be more productive because we know exactly what to aim for and we don't have to wander around not knowing what we're striving for. When we have a goal, we typically have a vision for the things that we want to accomplish. If you don't have a goal for your home just yet, be sure to take some time to brain dump everything that you want for your home and your family and then turn that into a goal. In addition to having a goal, we also need to have a plan. How will we help make that goal happen? We have to be taking steps to be striving towards your goal. Let's say that your ultimate goal is to have a super tidy and clean home. Well, maybe your plan could be implementing a cleaning system. And you can even break it down further by deciding what are the things you'll do morning, afternoon, and night. Having a plan will help to keep you focused on your end goal every single day. You can make it as rigid or as flexible as you want by having anywhere from schedule to routine to rhythms. But be sure that you are thinking of a plan so that you can take those action steps towards your goal. Another thing to do if you want to be a super duper productive homemaker is rise early. Even a 30-minute head start from your family will put you that much further ahead. And you won't have to wake up all scrambled when everyone wants your attention at the same exact time. Map out how long your morning plan will take you and be sure to get up exactly that amount early. And even if you're not a morning person, this one will totally change the game. Especially if you're not a morning person, I might say, because you will be that much more ahead. Then when everyone eventually does wake up, you're already grooving into your day. So you don't have to be pulled 1,000 different directions. Just even a little bit getting up early before our families will give us a leg up on the whole entire day. Let's be sure to do things in the early morning that will fill up our cup so we don't feel like we are dragging on through the rest of the day. If you're having trouble getting up, then the next tip will absolutely help you. But first, if you're finding any value in this video so far, don't forget to subscribe and share the video so that others may receive value from it as well. The next thing you're going to want to do is make it fun. Be sure to gamify everything. This will help you be a super duper productive homemaker because you're getting everything done because it's actually fun to do. You will not find yourself dreading chores anymore if you make it fun. Making things light and fun will make it more likely that they will actually get done, and therefore you will be a more productive homemaker. Now, if you want to be a super duper productive homemaker, don't forget to start the day before. A lot of people aren't doing this, and this is actually the key to being a super duper successful homemaker. If you start the night before with a clean slate, meaning you put your home to bed, you get your to-do list, your clothes, and everything ready, you will wake up the next day so much further ahead because you will now wake up with a sink full of dishes that you now have to clean. You will not have to be scrambling about looking for what clothes to wear because you already know exactly what you're going to wear. When you check your to-do list or your errands, you're already prepared and ahead of the game to pack up every single thing that you need to be ready for the next day. So a great day actually starts the night before. And even though this is a very little known thing, you can get ahead of the game by checking out this video here where I talk all about it, and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.